We thought it was just a movie night, but that film didn't just play on the screen. It played with our fears, our excuses, and the truths we were running from. That night, nothing would feel the same again.
It was a Friday night. No plans, no deadlines, just friends, a living room, and popcorn. We tossed pillows, kicked off shoes, laughed at small jokes, and then someone said the words that would change the night. Let's watch The Pursuit of Happiness. At first, it was just another movie night, but the story would sneak in and challenge everything we thought we knew about struggle.
Chris Gardner kept losing. Job after job. Door after door slammed in his face. Bills piling up. Nights spent in empty bathrooms. And there she was, Lola, shifting uncomfortably. "Why does he have to suffer this much?" she asked, almost in pain. And I knew she wasn't talking about the movie. She was looking at herself. I said, "That's the point, Lo. Dreams this big, they're never easy, because the struggle on the screen mirrors the struggle in all of us. We love the success stories, but we hate the process, because struggle exposes us. It asks questions we aren't ready to answer. How badly do you want it? What are you willing to endure? Every rejection, every moment of doubt, it isn't punishment, it's the shaping of strength." The movie ended. Silence filled the room. Then Lola whispered, "I feel like he was too hard on himself." I replied, "That pressure you see, that's what carried him when motivation disappeared. Motivation fades, discipline stays, drive stays, pain stays, until it shapes you into someone stronger." Then, quietly, Aisha spoke. "Success isn't just luck or talent," she said. "It's perseverance and being willing to learn." And just like that, the room shifted, because sometimes the quietest voice carries the loudest truth. Lola picked at the popcorn, thinking out loud. "I've been complaining about my job," she said slowly. Then she paused. "Maybe I just need to push harder instead of wishing it was easier." That wasn't about her job. That was about life. Dreams we delay, effort we postpone, comfort we hide behind. And in that moment, we all understood. That night, we didn't just watch a movie. We watched ourselves. Tired, frustrated, scared. And yet, something clicked. Struggle isn't punishment. It's preparation. The weight you carry today is the strength you'll need tomorrow. So don't curse the struggle. Embrace it, because the journey tests you before it rewards you. Sometimes the only difference between those who make it and those who don't is the willingness to keep going when it hurts. And sometimes it's the struggle that makes the victory sweeter.